How many cleaning jobs have slipped through your fingers without you knowing? Hi, my name is Humphrey. I'm an AI consultant for cleaning pros and Maid service. In the coming weeks, I will take you through the importance of AI helping cleaning and Maid service pros in making waves in the industry and getting to the end of this third quarter and beginning the next first quarter. Let us go through these lessons to know how we can lift our businesses to the higher heights. Now, most cleaning services do not lose jobs because of quality. They lose jobs because of missed calls. Now, look at these stars. Now, over the years, it has been established that 34% of service businesses lose jobs. That is about one third of the businesses going down the drain. And we don't want to be part of that statistics. We are leaving things on the table. That is revenue going down the drain. And as I said, we will see how we can plug these loopholes to make our cleaning businesses worthwhile our efforts. Now, I work with a cleaning service person named Tina. And before then, she was making a lot of losses on bookings and on the job. And as I set up the AI voice agent for her, she was able to make an increase of 41% into her business in a very short time. Now, what we are going to go through over the next few days is how you can plug in into the wave coming up AI to help your businesses in chat. When somebody lands on your page, on your web service or website, how you automatically chat with the person 24/7, and how a voice agent can receive calls, that is inbound calls and outbound calls, to help your businesses 24/7. Yours is to go to the field and do what you like most, and that will save you a great deal. You just watch your bookings and you follow up and do what you like doing best. We'll go through this and you will know that in this day and age, you need AI to help you ramp up your business. Imagine you turning every missed call into a booking call. That will help a great deal. Smash the bell button and like it and share. In the coming days, in the next video, I will show you how to turn a missed call into 5 minutes or less calling back. And this will help us a great deal. Follow me and see you next time.